Hey guys, Tokusuit here, and today I'm gonna be reacting to "It's Raining Tacos" by Jacqueline Matoides. That's his channel name. He is my friend from school, so yeah. The link to his channel will be in the description below. So yeah, I'll just get right into it. Hang on. Okay, I'm pumped. He should be too.
It's raining tacos.
He loves my videos. He was.
Out of the sky. Tacos. No need to ask why.
Yeah.
Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos.
It's classic. It's classic him. He does that he does a lot of stuff at school. He's not a bad kid. He's actually a good kid. He listens. He's just funny.
It's raining tacos.
Raining tacos. He lost his voice there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, let's go for 3 views on this video for another reaction. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for some more Tokusuit action. Bye.